The subject of PPLG, or software and game development, is a productive subject because it is essential part of our major. At the beginning of this subject, we studied the history of Windows. We worked in a group to research its history and create a PowerPoint presentation, which we then presented in video. Later, we learned, researched, and practiced how to perform a Windows installation on a laptop or PC. For the next segment, we create a video about personal branding. In this task, we learned how to showcase our value to attract interest from other or employer based on our skill. For this video, we include footage highlight the strength of our school, with voiceover introducing ourselves, explaining our advantages, and outlining our future plans in this field. In the final segment of the semester, we group and I designed the interface of a application that we plan to develop. We worked on an app for book borrowing, or called Puskat. My role was to create the flowchart and serve as the programmer responsible for running the application in the next semester. For now, we only worked on the interface using Figma. This major has given us valuable insight into Industry 4.0 and how the world is evolving to become more advanced.
In informatic class, my classmates and I learned how to use Microsoft Word and Excel application. For the initial lesson in Microsoft Word, we were asked a typing test to answer our hands while fields type while typing on a computer or laptop. After that, we learned how to use the Word menu effectively, create a table of contents, table, and reports in the form of letters. Meanwhile, in Microsoft Excel, we learned how to cleanse data, sum it up, and process number and data using the available formulas. This learning material is undoubtedly very useful for our daily life, whether at school, outside school, or in future jobs. We also worked on practical tasks related to Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. The tasks given were quite challenging. One of our practices was learning how to type in Microsoft Word without using a mouse, relying solely on keyboard shortcut. Fortunately, we managed to complete it with the help of our teacher and we got each other. Additionally, we practiced data cleansing and lastly, processing numbers and analyzing them using the provided formulas.
In Germany lesson, we learned many important things. We start by getting to know the letters of the alphabet in Germany, and then we learned about how to pronounce them, especially the letters that have special sounds like double S. We also learned diphthongs and umlauts, which are very important for correct pronunciation. After that, we focus on Begrüßung or greetings, which are ways to greet people in various situations, such as Guten Morgen or Hallo. We also learned German numbers and how to say the date. In addition, we learned the names of the days in a week, hobbies, and how to introduce ourselves in Germany, including the use of the articles der, die, and das. In practice, we introduce ourselves to each other using simple sentences in Germany. We talk about each other's names, origin, and hobbies. In addition, we also created dialogues about jobs and professions. For example, I asked my friends about their job and they explained their job and working hours using sentences like Ich arbeite als Lehrer or I work as a teacher. We also practice asking about working hours, such as when begin deine Arbeit or when does your work start? This practice helps us become more confident in speaking Germany.
Japanese subject. We have learned many things. We began by knowing the hiragana and katakana that become the basis for reading and writing. Afterward, we learned how to introduce ourselves, names, ages, and origins in Japanese. We also studied numbers in Japanese. In addition, simple grammar such as sentences this and that. We also learned how to experience greeting at times, such as Ohayo gozaimasu, Konnichiwa, and Konbanwa. The materials taught are not only theoretical, but combined with practice. The Japanese practice experienced in the class left many interesting impressions on us. At first, we found it hard to memorize the hiragana and katakana letters, but with regular practice at home, we found somewhat able to write them. We enjoyed the activities of Project STS because they helped me to more readily use Japanese in introducing ourselves, and also we like to use Japanese in everyday too. It not only trains the ability to speak but also makes learning more exciting. Through practice, we grew more confident and felt that learning Japanese was a pleasant thing. We hope to be able to grow and use this language in the future.